Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. I am at the Borgata Hotel and Casino. I'm staying, I think, on the 43rd floor, the highest floor here at the Borgata. Sounds kind of exciting. I'll show you around the hotel and casino a little bit and the room and give you a little tour. Come along with me. The Borgata here in Atlantic City is slowly reinventing itself. It started a few years ago when they turned the old Water Club Tower into the MGM Tower. The MGM Tower boasts some of the nicest standard rooms in town, if you ask me. I'll show you a clip right here of what one of those MGM Tower rooms look like. I visited and did a room tour, I'm going to say about two and a half years ago when they first opened up. This is what one of those rooms look like. We're not visiting that room today. We're visiting the standard Borgata Tower room today. On top of the MGM Tower change a couple years ago, lots of changes going on around the casino floor as well, with changes to restaurants, lounges, and other venues here at the Borgata. Of course, all those changes were covered in another video here on the New York channel if you want to check those out. But again, today, it's all about the Borgata room. One thing that hasn't changed yet here at the Borgata, and hopefully will in the near future. And again, if you want to see all the new renovations that went around here on the casino floor and the surrounding area, then check that video out. Right now we're going to head into the Borgata's living room, which is the elevator banks for the Borgata Tower. Hey guys, if you're digging the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already? Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. Now, I haven't been up on the latest news on these Borgata Tower rooms lately, so if you've heard anything about renovations coming soon, leave a comment below. We'd all like to know about it. I haven't heard anything, but it's really one of the last things this place has to do to become pretty much completely new. And here we are, room 4335 Borgata Tower. Let's check it out. The Borgata Tower has an indoor pool. The MGM Tower has indoor and outdoor pools, and there's also a main outdoor pool here as well. That main outdoor pool, of course, is seasonal, and it comes with its own beer garden. It's a full-length mirror here. Of course, I'm devilishly handsome and always well put together, although friends tell me I should check myself in the mirror every once in a while. This room is a standard non-smoking king, and I believe we're on the first floor. At least that's what the elevator buttons indicated. The Borgata opened in 2003, which makes it about 23 years old, and I believe all the furnishings in here, as well as the carpeting and everything, are all original. And at this point, it is showing some wear and tear. Now, if you look at the two towers from the outside of the complex, they almost look the same size. At least they do to me, but it's far from it. The Borgata Tower, the one that we're in now, is just shy of 2,000 guest rooms. It's got 1,997, whereas the MGM Tower only has 800 guest rooms. This tower is more than twice the size as the other. Borgata still offers room service, something you see less and less in hotels around the world, although still available here at some of them in Atlantic City. coffee machine and empty refrigerator is available here, and it's available pretty much everywhere in town with the exception of the Ocean, which doesn't have coffee makers in their rooms, as most of their rooms I should say. But from what I understand, if you want one, you can ask for one. Unlike Las Vegas, where there's no coffee makers to be seen and no empty refrigerators, with a couple of rare exceptions. The workstation in this room is comfortable and functional. The climate control worked perfectly while I was staying here, and there are some stains here and there. The room is very clean, but there's some stains here and there and some nicks and dings. Again, this stuff is getting pretty old here in this tower. If you're looking for new stuff, head on over to the MGM Tower. There's only one outlet on the end tables, but there's wall outlets nearby. I've got to be honest with you guys, I hardly ever have a bad night's sleep. I sleep like a log, and I do like a firm mattress and firm pillows, but I have to tell you, in all my travels, I've never really had a bad night's sleep on a mattress. But if I ever do, you'll be the first to hear about it. This end table doesn't match the other one. As a matter of fact, it doesn't match anything in this room. Just an indication that things are being moved around in this tower. Another indication that hopefully renovations are coming soon. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, why not click on that super thanks button right underneath this video. Doing so not only helps support the channel, but it'll get you a shout out on a future New York video. Or perhaps become a member of the New York channel. Membership does have its perks, including exclusive videos that only members can watch. I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner of the video right now if you'd like to become a member. Thanks for your support, guys. I really do appreciate it. Plenty of storage space, not only here in the closet, but in the dresser drawers as well. If you're staying here for several days, it's not going to be an issue. Let's check out the bathroom, the lavatory, the can. The bathroom's a nice size and it's well appointed. It's got a beautiful walk-in shower with a built-in seat. Only one sink, however, and even if you're staying over at the MGM Tower, one sink there as well. At least in the standard rooms, which is what we're looking at. You'll find real glasses at the Borgata, something I do appreciate if I'm having a nice glass of wine or fixing myself a cocktail in the room. I hate doing it in a cardboard coffee cup. Again, a really nice size shower with a nice shower head, and it's funny, a lot of the appointments like the bathroom and the walls and the bones of this room seem to be shiny and new, whereas the furniture and the carpeting, well, not so much. Hey guys, don't forget to check out the other channels here on the New York network. We have Jersey Shore Jeff, all about the Jersey Shore from Sandy Hook all the way down to Cape May, as well as the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, all about food here in the Garden State. Check those channels out as well. The wallpaper in this bathroom always reminds me of huge fingerprints. This lady putting a finger to her mouth is in all of the bathrooms here at the Borgata. I hope she washed her hands. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share it on your social media. Lots more room tours coming to the Yawk channel here in Atlantic City now that the season's starting to approach. I know a lot of you guys who are making plans on visiting Atlantic City like to see what the rooms look like first. So stay tuned. Again, lots more room tours and hotel and casino tours coming, as well as the usual boardwalk, beach, and other places and things that I like to do here in town as well. Oh, and slot pulls. A lot of you are mentioning how much you enjoy the slot pulls, so you'll be seeing a lot more of those here on the channel as well. And hey, if there's anything else you want to see, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.